Taking the first step is easy. Fill out our form to see if PMA and your shop are a good fit to work together. You'll receive an email either suggesting we might be the perfect partners for you or it's not quite the right time. If we're not ready to work together, don't hesitate to take advantage of our free resources on our website. You can find these under the Resources tab. Here, you'll find free downloads of Hunt's book, Your Perfect Shop, the Automotive Industry Benchmark Report, and other helpful resources. If we are a good fit, you'll receive an invitation to schedule a one-on-one phone call with a member of our team to learn more about how you run your business. A member of our team will also investigate to further determine if your shop and PMA align perfectly. Then, if everything goes in the right direction, you'll get a tailored proposal laying out the details of becoming a Paar Melis client. Seal the deal by signing and sending it back. Your journey is just warming up. You'll receive an invite email to schedule your onboarding call with Kelly, our friendly neighborhood onboarding specialist. From confirming bank feed acceptance to reconciling QuickBooks accounts, Kelly helps ensure that all the details are set for a streamlined experience. Kelly will also introduce you to our dedicated team of financial wizards ready to manage your numbers. All you need to do, forward your essential documents as per your unique plan. Rest assured, our team will meticulously work on optimizing your financials. Uncomplicate and optimize your finances with our tailored approach for your automotive repair shop.